Hi, everyone. In this video, we'll be going through a box and whiskers example question. Right, let's read the question together. The diagrams below are the box and whiskers diagram of the results of mathematics examination from class 4A and 4B respectively. Right, so these are two classes, and you can see that there are box and whiskers over here. Right, in exam, usually this question is worth 2 marks. So generally, you can understand that there'll be 2 comments required from the student here, and 2 comments followed by 2 evidences. Right, so let's quickly run through our box and whiskers here. I'm going to start off with assessing the median for both classes, right? So you have the median for class 4A, which is 60 marks. So the middle person scored 60 marks, excuse me. And for class 4B, the median is actually 54. So we can actually say now who scored higher. Obviously, is the one with the high median. So we say that class 4A scored higher than 4B. And you give evidence that the median of class 4A, which is 60, is greater than the median of class 4B, which is 54. Right. You should also avoid saying it scored higher. Excuse me. You should avoid saying it scored better. Instead, use clear words like scored higher, because better is actually a value-laden statement. So we begin by finding the lower quartile and upper quartile to discuss this. So low quartile for class 4 is 32. And upper quartile for class 4B is the one marked by that portion, is 70. Okay, and same thing for class 4B, we can do this as well. For low quartile is 43, and upper quartile is 65. Okay, so now we have to use this upper quartile and low quartile to calculate the respective interquartile range, which are here. 70 minus 32, upper quartile minus low quartile, to give you the interquartile range for class 4A. And interquartile range for class 4B, we take the upper quartile again minus the lower quartile, get you 22. Right, so what can we comment from here? Well, it's also visually true. You can look from box and whiskers, which is more widespread, but calculating the interquartile range will show you evidence of which class has a more widespread or more varied or more consistent results for the mathematics exam. So here's a comment. The result of class 4 is more varied than that of class 4B. Okay, and of course, this is just a general statement, and we can look at it, it's visually true as well, because the middle section or the box section for class 4 is wider than the middle section or the box section for class 4B, and you can state the evidence over here, right? So once again, box and whiskers provide a visually compelling evidence on which results are more widespread. Okay, so for this question, you need 2 comments and 2 evidences. So please take note, don't forget that. Right, that's it. Thank you.